Hi, first graders. Today we're going to go over Unit 2, Lesson 18. The first part is to go over a word recognition assessment. You're going to see 15 words on the Google form for today, and you are going to choose the word that I say. So let's begin. I'm going to start with number 1. Please feel free to pause the video after I say number 1 to choose it on the Google form. Number 1, bite. Number 2, rose. Number 3, seek. Number 4, rate. Number 5, beat. Number 6, cute. Number 7, beat. Number 8, lake. Number 9, cube. Number 10, line. Number 11, robe. Number 12, shine. Number 13, soar. Number 14, pain. And number 15, weed. All right, excellent. Now once you have answered, you have all the information, so you can go ahead